First of all, just look at the magic light in this room. It's so beautiful. There's no artificial light here. That's literally just the natural light coming through those tiny little windows in the garage door. And the light is this good. That's, if you've ever been a student at RMSP before, not something we used to have. Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to give you guys your end of week 4, start of week 5 update. That's where we are at right now. So as of tomorrow, or the day that this is published, I guess this will be published on the day, it's 3 weeks until PI starts, and I just want to show you guys the progress that's happened in the last few weeks. So, or the last week or so, because you guys had the previous update just a second ago. So I want you guys to check this out. Basically, warehouse is pretty much the same, but let's go on a little tour around here and let's look at what's different. Stuff's starting to pick up really fast as far as like speed of things happening. So we're just passing through the kitchen right now. Don't mind the focus, it's gonna lose me. Big thing is that the video studio now has a floor. So that's awesome. We've got flooring in here as well as trim, so that is looking really, really good. We got that done. My mission for the day is to finish the flooring in Jeff's office, which is in here. You can see right now, let me go really high, it is all just like ripped up carpet. So I gotta scrape that glue off with like a razor blade and then lay down the new click together vinyl flooring, so that's awesome. Whoa, let me change the spoj a little bit here. There we go. This is the main office. You can see there's a genie lift in there and the whole floor is taped off because the painter is in here today spraying all of the beige and making it white. So the all new paint in this giant, like 25-foot high, you guys can see, very high ceiling room, getting all new paint, and that's gonna be really exciting. Also, we have a really cool thing in store for this wall behind me. So just so you guys have a little sense of reference, you walk in the door right here, that's the main door, and you're left with this main wall in the main entrance. And that's gonna have an RMSP logo as well as all 30 years of our catalogs framed on the wall. So that's gonna look super good, be really profesh looking. Upstairs hasn't changed too much. I don't really wanna show you guys that yet until the end of next week because it's gonna be changed a lot. Right now, it's just being textured and drywalled like you guys saw. And then the other exciting thing that I wanna show you guys before we call this video closed and go outside, holy exposure. Let me step down to F16, is we got signs. So you guys can see, we've got 2 RMSP signs, exit only and main office, which is awesome. So we're official now, which is really cool. It's cool to actually like have a place in the building. Anyway, kind of a nice thing. Let me brighten that up again. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. I'm tearing the paper here. I'm gonna go ahead and get to flooring. Next week, we'll do a video updating the next couple weeks, but that's week 3 and week 4. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you didn't, you know what to do. If you guys have a question or a comment or anything that you are curious about with our new building, let me know down in the comments. Be happy to answer that, and hit subscribe for future updates. I promise we'll be back to normal video content here in a couple weeks. Once we get everything moved in, you guys see the video studio. It's a little not quite ready for work. So we're getting there, but I'll keep you guys posted and we should be back to regular content in September. See you guys soon. Thanks, bye.